Hey there. So this is day one of my job preparation, and I'm gonna share what I did on day one. So I started with practicing machine learning interview questions that are asked. Okay, so I started with very basic questions, but I'm sharing it because it was a really nice feeling of writing entire code by myself without using AI. I have got really used to of using AI, making it write my code, and then you know writing making things. So yesterday what I did, I wrote entire code by myself, debugged it, and it went well. I was able to solve two interview like machine coding like questions. One was directory system, that is like folders and file ka UI, and then another was that autocomplete ka search API calls and all. So that two was I was able to make. Then I started with DSA for lead from lead code. I ended up making two questions from lead code. It was really basic. I picked it from easy section, and it took me a lot of time to solve it. But at least I solved it without any help. So I used my notebook to solve DSA question. And then I was exploring what I should look for in my next job and all that. So I figured that front end job has been literally really getting difficult to get into. So I thought, let's get into full stack or back end. So I started exploring AI, and then I came across agentic AI. So I planned, okay, let's learn agentic AI. I know Python, I know backend, I know DevOps basics, I can deploy things and all that. So why not try it? So I purchased a Udemy course yesterday, and then I started learning. I didn't explore much. I just had that environment set up as of now. I can't really share what I learned. It was very basic. Just uh, wrote print I only printed some response from OpenAI. So that was the only thing that I started with yesterday. And then also I was looking into where I can apply for more jobs. Remote jobs I'm mostly looking into, right? So I came across a few new platforms like Remote OK, we work remotely, and there are like two platforms, Y Combinator and Product Hunt. So Y Combinator I knew already, but I never really tried it to apply for jobs. So I think this time I really need to apply that, because I'm looking for startups, US based startups, if it is well and good, best thing. So they dekhte hain if I get that. So I'll be sharing all the list of all the platforms that I found for remote jobs. And I didn't ask for referral yesterday, any referral, no, I didn't ask for, and it was weekend, so I didn't get any reply on whatever job I applied for. So let's see, it's Monday, whatever I'm getting. If I get any response, I'll be sharing in the next video. But as of now, start is good. I started writing code, started DSA, and then now I'm starting with agentic AI. So let's hope for the best to get into my journey into a full stack or agentic AI development. Excited for it. I'll be sharing whatever I'm learning, and I'll be sharing the link of all the platforms where I can apply for jobs in the description. And I also explored that system design. Okay, so I on a YouTube I found a really good playlist of system design. It was amazing. They had a lot of different kind of services that are already available. For example, Facebook feed, and then it was I think what do we call it? I can't remember that name, but there were a lot of it was basically breaking down all of the existing good system designs that are there, like Netflix and Facebook feeds and Instagram and all that. So I'll be sharing that playlist ka link in the description. Okay, you can explore if you're interested. So whatever I'm gonna learn, I'll share. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.